Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So we're going to be doing a first wash on our 60 here. Thanks for joining the video. It's quite dirty. We have not touched it since it's gotten here. Haven't really had the time, but as you can see, we've got dirt and mud caked everywhere. So we're just going to give her a good wash job and see what we can make her look like. And anybody who is potentially interested, this car is for sale. My contact information will be in the video. Thanks for watching. right, guys, thank you for watching. We're losing light here. It's becoming very dusk outside, so thank you for watching the first wash video. We got a lot of the dirt off. A lot of the stainless looks better. That glass that you see there, that is all on the inside, those runs, so I'll be taking care of that. Hopefully tomorrow. I keep setting goals that don't happen. I'm just too busy right now, but hopefully tomorrow, maybe get to some of the inside. But anyway, there it is for our first wash. She's a lot better than she was. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good evening.